Before COVID-19, going to the grocery store was never thought of as a threat to your health. The only reason you would want to know when the grocery store was least crowded was that you didn't want to stand in long lines. It was kind of like standing in line at Disney World. However, now that we are amidst the coronavirus, the fewer people we are around, the better. Not that we are antisocial, but just simply because we don't want to get sick and die or pass it along to our loved ones. Grocery stores are not staying open as late as they have in the past, because they need time to clean and sanitize the facility. Closing early creates a problem, because it causes shoppers to have less time to shop. Less time to shop, in turn, causes more people to be in the store at the same time. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do about closing time. However, there is something we can do about shopping with the least amount of people in the grocery store. Finding out what day has a minimal amount of shoppers is a good start. We can rule out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is the absolute worst day to shop. Hordes of people come in on Sunday, and unless there is a mask mandate, many people forego the masks, and social distancing goes right out the window in the mass stampede of weekend shopping. From experience, Monday and Tuesday are the best days to shop at the grocery store. Wednesdays aren't bad. Thursdays are iffy, so I wouldn't rely too heavily on that being the most fantastic day to shop. In a nutshell, the earlier you can go, the better. The local Maya store opens at 6 a.m. and closes at midnight. The best time, according to Google Maps data, is 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Anything after that constitutes a more considerable amount of people. If you can't go early in the morning, perhaps you can shop after 9 p.m. The best way to shop is with shopping apps. Shipt and Instacart are the two top shopping apps available. With both of these shopping apps, you can attach your Ibotta account and receive your cashback hassle-free. Earth is a new world for us. There is no telling how long the virus will last. Stay safe, wear a mask, and social distance. Those are the best solutions to the problem. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Please share it with your friends.